There's an opportunity for us to make a difference.
I care about people.
We need to have impact.
I want to stop plastic from going into the environment.
This is my why.
Could you imagine like your life without power? Can you imagine not having your phone and not being able to access the internet?
My name is Renisha Wickham, and this is my why.
So I'm originally from the Virgin Islands, St. Croix. I was born and raised here. I'm probably doing the most important work that I've done so far at Dow because I'm working on infrastructure, literally the nuts and bolts of what's needed to make society and people thrive and connect. Wire and cable plays a huge role in the fabric of the Virgin Islands on St. Croix specifically. It really helps us to be able to transcend space and locale and really communicate with each other. Being in the Caribbean, there's no surprise that hurricanes can be detrimental. They can have significant impact on our ability to live our daily lives. I remember when there was Irma and Maria, my mom was here in the Virgin Islands, and there was no power. Right now, the key problems that I'm trying to solve is to enable my customers to deploy 5G very quickly. We need to get it in urban communities. We need to be able to have that connectivity. That's the real impact that I want to have. How am I going to influence people? And what I do at Dow, enabling connectivity, enabling communication, that's at the fabric and the foundation of that.